Hi everyone, Taco Dog here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please take a moment to like and subscribe so we can keep great stuff coming your way. And as always, thank you for the support.
Taco Dog here. So today we're down in Green Ridge Forest again. Today is Saturday, November 12th, 2022. And remnants of a hurricane came through last night. Rained hard. We got about 2 inches of rain, high wind, had a lot of tree fall, other stuff. So today we're going to check out some stream crossings. And of course I got my dog in the back there who never looks all that happy on video when he's in the back of the truck. Sorry about that. The first stream crossing we're going to check out is going to be 15 Mile Creek. It's that little stream right next to the bridge. I wanted to see what that looked like before we went south. The stream's up a little bit. I've already walked it, but I believe we got clearance, and I'm going to power through it and see how it turns out. After this, we're going to head south toward Town Creek, and we'll see how the Town Creek crossings look. We'll check that out too. All right, so here we go. First stream crossing on 15 Mile Creek Road. All right, coming up on the cutoff here. Now the easy way is to go by the bridge straight ahead. But we're going to try this stream crossing and see how it works. Now I'm going to take this nice and slow. Last thing you want is water coming up over your hood and getting sucked in, so that ain't going to happen. But you definitely want to stay on power here. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice and easy. I'm in 4-high, second gear. It is kind of muddy, but these mud terrain tires I got on here handle it without a bit of problem. Alright, so that was pretty easy. So now we're going to head south toward Town Creek. And those crossings down there, we'll see what they look like. So to get to the Town Creek water crossings, we're going south on Green Ridge Road from 15 Mile Creek. As you can see on the map, this is a fairly long north to south road. This will get us down to the area we want to need, where we need to be, and then we'll do some crossovers. I actually haven't done the road south going toward Town Creek, so this will be a little bit of an adventure. But you know, they graded the roads in Green Ridge. It was last year sometime, and they got them all smooth and everything, and you know, stuff like that. And now, after I don't know, about 6 months, 7 months, I would say, maybe around that time frame. Some are still good, but others are already starting to have ruts and other stuff in them. So I got a feeling the condition of the roads is going to come back to where it was about a year ago, which is good. I kind of liked a little bit more challenging road instead of these flat roads. But we'll see how it turns out. Right, so we're on Manaford Road Southeast. This isn't a road I've driven before. We are approaching the first Town Creek stream crossing up here, so ooh, a little thrill hill there. Curiously enough, this is paved road, so that makes it easy. We should be coming up on this pretty soon. Be right back. Wow. So, unfortunately, it appears that Town Creek is closed out today. Here, check this out. So here's the Town Creek crossing right now. Needless to say, it's a good amount of water coming down in here. And, the road crossing, can't see it all that well here, but we'll zoom in a little bit. Terminates right there, comes across here. And back to where the truck is here. Yeah, just a little bit tight today. But that's okay. Had a pretty good drive down here. And turn around, head back. Look at the map, see if I can get it from the other side. We're down near 51 here, so we'll see if we can cross over the other side, see if we can get something on that side. So we're gonna reverse up our route here. We're gonna jump down to 51 and come up another road from the south to get to the second water crossing. And we'll see what that looks like today. Got a feeling it's likely going to be the same way, but we're down here and you know what the heck, we'll go check it out. Okay, so we're going to try these other stream crossings from a different direction. So one of the things I've done to my truck is I have an iPad mounted on the console, and installed on this iPad I have something called the Gaia app, and if I'm saying that right, and this app is pretty cool. So it loads a topo map, and you got multiple layers that you can put on this map. I have the topo overland layer loaded right now, and what you're seeing here, if you can see that little arrow, that's me, and we're navigating along here through these roads in Green Ridge. I have it set on tracking mode right now, so my position stays in the center, and then the map rotates on my position in the direction that I'm heading. You can also set it for, you know, traditional north-south and everything like that, but I kind of like it in this particular way. It is pretty cool. And I found a route. We're gonna try to navigate around Town Creek down off of 51, and then we'll go to the second crossing from the south. We're gonna probably have to backtrack from that, but at least we'll be able to get to check it out. The crossings are the red pins that you see on the map. That one that we're moving away from was the one that we were just at, and we'll navigate around here, get to that second one, and then have to backtrack, and we'll eventually get to the third one. So we'll have some fun today, one way or another. Can't cross no water, but hey, at least we're having a good time. So we're on Lower Town Creek Road, approaching the second water crossing, and well, one, of course, don't look no better than the first. I wasn't expecting any less, but at least we got here. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I don't think I'm taking the taco dog into that stream. Nope. So, sitting down here next to Town Creek again in Green Ridge State Forest after the hurricane. Just a little high. Here, let's check it out. Yeah. That's just a little bit of water coming down there. Goodness. It's a pretty little area right here, though. It's too bad didn't get to go across here, but well, at least we got down here. This road comes in right here, and then the entrance point. Take you right across here. A little bit of a sharp turn there. I'm assuming across over there is the way out. Yeah, definitely not going to try that. All right, we'll backtrack to the third one. I'm pretty sure we can get to the third one. Check it out anyhow. So we're on Wagner Road, southeast, approaching Town Creek. The other road on the other side that we were on, alright, so we used Wagner Road southeast to get back around to now Lower Town Creek Road, and we're about to hit the water crossing on Lower Town Creek Road. Yeah, well, no surprise here. That canoe would be a nice thing to have today. Yeah. Oh. So we made it down to the third water crossing on Town Creek here. This time we backtracked northbound on Wagner Road southeast, and then hooked back around on Lower Town Creek, and no surprise, it's just as bad. Now what you're looking at right here is the ford crossing, and needless to say, we got some water definitely flowing through here. This would be a nice little creek to canoe on. Just coincidentally, there's a canoe between the tree and the pole here. Obviously somebody has it there for a good reason. But this is really nice. So that's going to be about doing it for today. Unfortunately, we didn't get to cross any water, but at least we got to check some stuff out. This is really pretty country. Well, thank you for riding. See you next time.
So that wraps it up. I try and spend at least 3 days each month in campgrounds or the woods. Check my channel for regular updates. Again, please take a moment to like and subscribe so we can keep great stuff coming your way. Thank you for watching.